So we're officially done, and okay, I'm a little tired now. I'm a little tired. So we have a lot of starter plants. Where am I even looking at? Right there. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're not, thanks for coming back. We have a wonderful video for you today. And if you don't know, we are a 9-year homeschool family. And today we're planting. It is the beginning of spring, our favorite season of the year, actually the actual new year. And we are loving the greenery. I don't know if I'm gonna get like a vision of, like a view, I said a vision, a view of our backyard view. So we are living in an apartment currently. We're saving to buy a home, and we actually have a nice little urban garden setup, which I've been doing for how many years now? About 3 years, right? 3 years. So about 3 years. Last year I didn't do it as much because I was with child. This year I wanted to start our garden back because this was something that I really, really loved postpartum after having baby girl, and it really helped me on my postpartum and anxiety recovery journey without meds, guys. So just being outdoors, getting my hand in dirt, and just being exposed to the sun was one of those things that helped me cope. So join me and my kids as we plant our urban garden on our patio here, our urban patio garden here. And everyone is going to have their own specific seeds. They've already chosen their seeds, so I can't wait to just share this process with all of you guys.
Now me and my kids are about to plant.
Okay, Brian. So before we started anything, we decided to just clean the patio off and just get it ready for our urban garden. Like I said, this is something that I started a few years ago when we moved into our apartment. I wanted an urban garden, and I wanted to be self-sufficient and grow things that me and my family consume on the day-to-day basis. So like I said, we gathered our seeds, we cleaned off the patio, and we got started. Because what are you doing?
On the bike.
Okay.
Twist that.
So once we got all of our seeds gathered and put together, I distributed our containers, and then I applied the soil in each of my children's containers, and then they put their seeds in. Baby girl decided to plant flowers. She decided to plant lavender. My oldest son decided to plant jalapeno, and my middle son, he decided to plant cucumber, which is doing really, really well right now. So I actually have like a follow-up video to show, you know, how everything is growing and how well everything is doing. So this video is about 3.5 weeks old now. So there has been a lot of progress with our sprouts and our little seedlings. We were watching my mother-in-law's dog. But as I was getting our seeds and things prepared, I had to label everything and also feed our compost bin, which is going to be really, really great for just fertilizing our soil and keeping our soil very rich in nutrition and nutrients to keep our plants growing and thriving. So yeah, that was a major part of me starting to just getting, you know, the compost bins, and also getting some more grow bags and getting more plastic containers, because like I said, we're growing things on our patio. So these are all of our starter plants. I also grew oregano along with helichrysum, which is a flower, and also green peppers like bell pepper, and also I am growing mustard, which I got those seeds when I went to visit my father in Albany. So we're officially done, and Okay, I'm a little tired now. I'm a little tired. So we have a lot of starter plants. Where am I even looking at? Right there. So we have cucumber, we have jalapeno. I had already started some garlic, and I just put that in a smaller little bin thing because I want to be able to transplant that or put it into like a bigger pot. What else? We did jalapeno, cucumber. I did dill and also oregano in the smaller, and lavender. So there we go. And each one of get your sister. Get your sister. Each one of the kiddos will have their own plant that they're going to be taking care of. Are y'all excited about that?
Yeah.
So everybody's going to be taking care of their own plant. I'm also growing 𝐼𝐴𝐴𝐿, which is a flower. And then I also planted some cilantro, rosemary, and parsley. Parsley. I will be growing some other things shortly, but I'm just trying to see how these plants kind of thrive in this new soil that I'm trying. And I will let you guys know in a future video because I will show you my sprouts once they start to sprout up. But the garlic is already doing like phenomenal. Like I feel like it's grown a little bit since we've been out here, which is weird. Hasn't it gotten taller? Like in this hour time, like that's what I do love about plants. Like I remember starting my blueberry. Oh, we got blueberries. I forgot to tell y'all that. I already started the blueberries are already started, but they hadn't sprouted yet. They are starting to sprout, and this is something that I'm very excited about because I watch Epic Gardening. He is on YouTube. He's really, really amazing, and he teaches like people that are like urban like me, that are in like the city, farm and garden and things like that. So I'll be prepared once we get our home with all the land and things of that nature. So yeah, I'm just showing my kids how to compost. I need to show y'all that. So this is our compost bins right here. And I actually got these from a good friend of mine. She's a homeschool mom, and she gave those compost bins to me, and I've been utilizing them heavily. And this right here is our blueberry plant. My kids went and got me some mulch yesterday to just protect the plant and all those things. But you can see that it's already sprouting. It started sprouting in the house, and it is doing phenomenal. Just keeping it watered, and this is a full sun plant, so this stays in the sun all day long. And then like I said, I got my rosemary, got the cilantro, and we got the parsley, and then that's the 𝐼𝐴𝐿 back there. And these are all of our pots, our little mini pots. And like I said, this garlic has sprouted up more since we've been out here. Like that's the amazingness of like God. Like I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, like that is the amazingness of God. Like things just grow, and you can see them growing in real time. Like this smaller one hadn't even peeked out of this casing, and the fact that it's done that within the hour that we've been outside planting our things, I feel like it's extremely amazing. Like look how tall that is. Like it just, and their roots are like sprouting really well. And garlic drinks a lot of water, by the way. So I'm not sure if you guys have ever grown garlic. Anybody has ever grown garlic, let me know how your garlic did, because mine is already off to a really great start, and I want to make sure that I am doing well by it here, because already I feel like it needs more water. But at some point I'm going to get more of these black containers to grow all of our things in, and some more grow bags. This came with 3. I actually got these grow bags from Amazon about 3 years ago, and this was great. So we're gonna see how this grows this year. If it doesn't, it's a lost cause for it, because it's a, I won't even say it's a perennial, but it does grow. It's an annual thing, so it grows it'll start sprouting soon if it's gonna do anything. It normally sprouts every spring, well off into the summer, but we have just never gotten any grapes. So I don't know. We'll see. But other than that, the things that I know that I've grown before are. Hold on, Brian. Let me see. Okay, there we go. I can see myself. So the things that we've grown before are cilantro, basil, rosemary. I really love basil. Basil did really, really well along with cilantro. And I love doing that, especially for taco night. We have taco night every Tuesday, or some version of taco night. We have that. So we got the cilantro for that. I'm growing things that I know that we eat, so it's not a waste, right? And then I'm also growing flowers this year to have more pollinators come. And then I forgot, we also have a hummingbird feeder. We have hummingbirds that come periodically. We got owls, we got woodpeckers. I love living on this side of our apartment complex. Yeah, there are, I don't know if you can see, but homes back there, but this little stretch of like woodsiness is life for me. So when I was choosing this apartment, because we were the first ones in our home, when I was choosing rather, I chose to be on the back end because I had a choice to be on the front side, and I said nope, I want to be on the back side because for me, I'm a nature girly. This is wonderful to just sit out here and just be at peace. So when everything grows, all that is going to be super green and beautiful. Like, it's going to be so amazing. And like that's my favorite part of like being over here. I want to make sure that when we do find our home, that we find a place that has a lot of greenery, a lot of trees. And yeah, we're gonna hang this up really quick and get our hummingbird. I said hummingbee. Hummingbird feeders started, so that way we can see some hummingbirds, because I've seen them before here in Georgia. They are here. Okay, so let's find some hummingbirds. And we're done.